Yes. So whenever you receive your file, okay, it's going to be looking something like this. And then I don't know why some of you are taking the bold steps to delete what I've I've already done for you. I didn't want you guys to stress, so I placed this thing here so that you guys will just have to type your names. So probably you may not know how to do that. So all you have to do, as simple as ABC, is to double click on this thing. To double click on this text name, and then you type your name, Lionel Messi. Okay. And then you do same for your student ID. So if it's 10756, whatever your ID is, and then you click outside the box. So now you have I have not received any invite. So Lord, the reason why I've not received any invites is definitely because you filled the form late, and then we are actually sending invites according to your timestamps. So from the person who first filled the form. So I'm sure we will get your turn. Okay. So please exercise patience for us. If you can send a reaction, I'll be grateful. Yeah. So all you have to do is to just rename what I've already done for you over here. So you just add Lionel Messi and then your name. Okay. So now you've perfect. So now this was actually all I wanted from you guys. Just add your name and then your ID. So that whenever you are grading, I'll know what or who to correlate the marks I am awarding to. Okay. Yes. So then when this is your Figma interface, okay. So what I want you guys to do, probably for your mates who have not joined the call, so you see this button over here. Um, yes, page one. I want you guys to click on it, and then you see page one has been created. You can actually create multiple pages, but I'm going to let you guys do that later because this is how you are going to be executing your assignments. Okay, so for page one, you let me delete it so that you guys would follow. So delete page. So this is page one. Okay. So for page one, I want you guys to rename this page, and you can rename by simply double clicking. You can rename this by simply double clicking. Okay. You just so you double click it and then you name it lab lab assignment one. Okay. And then I'm very much aware that for your first lab assignment I gave you guys, I made you guys execute it in other Figma files. Okay, so then what I want you guys to do is hold on. So this one should be new. Sorry. And then you create a new page and then you name it lab assignment one. So this one I've created new pages and then I just renamed the first one to thumbnail and then the second one is lab assignment. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is that I made you guys do your assignments in a different Figma file. So all you have to do is to simply copy the assignment from that Figma file and then you paste it here. It's as simple as ABC, just like copying a file from your desktop to your drive, your hard disk drive, or to a different folder. So you navigate to your Figma file, the one in which you did your assignment. So in my case, I think I did mine here. Okay. So I'm sure you guys can recognize this one. This one is a circle. Let me show you guys. Show me. Yeah, color. Okay, so I think it's a bit pixelated, so it's going to download. Perfect. So I made you guys emulate a couple of these principles. Okay, so you've done this in a separate Figma file. So all I want you to do, locate that Figma file you have done your assignment in. You select the artboard by clicking on this frame. So this section, I don't know if you guys can see. Click on it, Control C, and then locate the file you have been invited to, and then you Control V, you paste. Okay, I'm going to do it again so you guys see. So you come back here, So if it's contrast, I made you guys do. Let me quickly terminate contrast one. So give me a second. Or you see, let me just make this one, two. So assuming you've done, so this is for color. So let's say this one is for contrast. Yeah. So you copy it. You locate the file in which I've invited you into, and then paste your file, paste your artboard over here. So you do same for every single one I asked you guys to do. Okay. So then when you probably drop off the call, I want you guys to do this. So after renaming your file, locate the file in which you did your assignment in. For you guys, it may be some Figma file somewhere. You copy it and then you just come and paste it in the new Figma file I created for you guys. So you just have to create a new page. And then I showed you guys how to create a new page. You just hit on the plus button. So for next week's design session, for instance, you are going to be given an assignment, and then you are going to name this file lab assignment 2. For subsequent weeks, you would have to create a new page, and then you name it lab assignment 3, and then so on and so